Hey guys, my name is Angelica. I'm with Aiken Realty and today
I'm Jacob Roche with Element Home Loans.
Jacob is going to help us answer a few questions that I get from a lot of my buyers. And first one is, what are some programs for first-time home buyers?
So our first-time home buyer option is 3% down. And typically you're not first-time home buyer, conventional is 5%. With being a first-time home buyer, the PMI or mortgage insurance is reduced, so that helps out with the monthly payments, with them getting in their first house. It's the perfect deal.
Second question I get a lot is, what is the difference between conventional and FHA loan?
So conventional is typically has a higher interest rate. FHA typically has a lower interest rate, depending on credit score, obviously. But with being conventional, you'll have PMI if it's anything under 20% you're putting down. So if you put down 5%, 10%, 15%, the PMI kind of bases it off of that on how expensive the mortgage insurance is. So with FHA, the mortgage insurance is on for the entire term of the loan. So that doesn't fall off, it falls off at 20% with conventional. So those are the two main differences. But with FHA, the interest rate is lower, so that means that the PMI is more. So it kind of offsets itself depending on how long you're going to stay in the home. Really depends on what program works best for you.
I've been hearing a lot about a 2-1 buy down. Can you explain a little bit more what that is?
Yeah, sure. So it's a new product that's coming back, really. I mean, it's been around forever, but it's to sort of weather the storm that we're going through with interest rates being so high. So first year, interest rate would be at 5, second year would be at 6, and then the remaining 28 years would be at 7. Or what we qualify yet today. So this really helps out with the first 2 years with the payment, but the big part is that interest rates are going to drop within the next 2 years, so that'd be a perfect time to refi. And then, so how that works is we raise the cost of the house, so the purchase price about $10,000, depending on what the 2-1 buy down cost is, but then we have the sellers pay for that. So essentially the first 2 years, your interest rate would be at 5, and then 6, and then 7 for the rest of the 28 years. Just helping with the monthly payments to kind of weather this storm and get through it.
Another objection I've been getting a lot from buyers, they are not sure whether they need a 20% down. So Jacob, can I get your opinion on that?
Yeah, so we have our 3% down option. That's our first time home buyer option. There is PMI to that, so that's private mortgage insurance because you're not putting down that 20%. So if you put down 20%, there's no mortgage insurance, but anything less than that, there'll be mortgage insurance. So if you pay 15%, the mortgage insurance will be cheaper compared to if you're doing 5% down. So the lowest that we can go is 3% down for first time home buyers, 5% for conventional if you're going to sell your house and then buying a new one. But then there's FHA where it's 3.5% down. So we have really all different types of options for down payment. It doesn't have to be that 20% down that is commonly thought.
Right. I've been hearing a lot is, are interest rates going to fall? Are they going to go up more? What are your thoughts on that?
So today is the Fed meeting. According to Forbes, they're expecting 0.5 to 0.75 increase again on interest rates. However, they say that by the end of next year, rates will drop back to the low 5s. So we have a 5-year rate drop pledge. So if you come and buy with us, we give you a certificate at closing, and then it's you come back to with us within the next 5 years. No lender fees, appraisal reimbursed, so a refi at no cost.
That's awesome. That's an awesome program.
Weathering the storm.
Yep. I just want to thank Jacob for coming today and explaining more questions about mortgage.
Absolutely. I mean, if there's any questions, any way I can help, hopefully this was helpful, but my contact is in the comments below, so just let me know.
Absolutely. Have a great day.